Welcome. If your Facebook captions keep turning on automatically and it's starting to get annoying, you're not alone. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn off the Always Show Captions setting on the Facebook app when using your PC. The latest update changed where this option lives, but don't worry, it's still easy to find once you know where to look. Let's jump right in. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home screen, look up to the top right corner. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From that list, select Settings and Privacy. This will expand into another set of options. Now click on Settings to enter the main settings page. Once you're inside the settings area, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Scroll through until you find the section labeled Media. Click on that to open your media preferences. Now, look for the option that says Always Show Captions. This is the setting that controls whether captions automatically appear on videos. Next to it, you'll see a toggle or selection option. Simply switch it to Off. That's it. From now on, Facebook won't automatically show captions on videos unless you turn them on manually. If you ever want captions back, you can follow the same steps and switch the setting back on. Facebook updates can move things around, but this method will keep you in control of your viewing experience. Thanks for watching.